Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 1.1 question number 9. Use the sign of is greater than, is less than or equal to in the box to make the statements true. First one. Let us take question number A. Question number A is here. Question number A, that is left hand side LHS. Left hand side LHS is equal to -8 plus of -4 plus of -4. That is equal to -8 plus into minus is minus 4 is equal to -12. Right hand side RHS is equal to -8 minus of -4 -4. Therefore, you are getting equal to -8 minus into minus, that is +4 plus 4. Then we are getting -4. Now -4 is greater than -12. -4 or -12 is less than is -2 less than -4. Therefore, answer will be this one, that is less than -8 minus of -4. Right? Now we shall solve question number B. Question number B is, here you see, question number B is, the question number B, question number B. Question number B, left hand side is LHS, that is left hand side is equal to -3 plus 7 minus 19. Right? Therefore, we are getting -3 plus 7 minus into plus minus 19, or you can write -3 minus 19 plus 7, that is equal to minus 22 plus 7, and that is equal to minus 5 plus 15. That is left hand side. Right hand side is right hand side is equal to 15 minus 8 plus of -9 plus of -9 plus of -9, that we are getting. This is 15 minus 8 plus into minus is -9, that is equal to 15 minus 8 minus 9 is minus 17. Minus 17 minus 17, that is equal to -2. Now you see that minus 15 is less than -2. Therefore, this one is less than. It is question number B. Now question number C is question number C is 23 minus 41 plus 11. This is left hand side. Right? Therefore, we are getting 23 plus 11 minus 41. Therefore, we are getting 23 plus 11, 3 plus 1 4, 2 plus 1 3 minus 41. That is equal to minus 7. Now right hand side is equal to right hand side. There is RHS. Right hand side is 23 minus 41 minus 11. That is equal to 23 minus 1 plus 1 2, 4 plus 1 5, 52. That is equal to minus 52 minus 23, 9, 2, 1, 3, 4, 2, 29. That is minus 29. Minus 29. Here you see that minus 7 is greater than minus 29. Therefore, the sign will be like this. Like that is question number C is this one is greater than this, right? C1 is this sign, right? Now question number D. Question number D is left hand side is equal to 39 plus minus of 24 minus 15. Therefore, we are getting 39 plus minus 24 minus 15. That is equal to 39 minus 4 plus 5 9, 2 plus 1 3, 35. That is equal to 4. Right? And right hand side is equal to RHS. Right hand side is equal to, that is question number D. It is question number D. Right hand side 36 that is 36 plus of minus 52 minus of minus 36. That is equal to 36 plus it is minus 52 and minus it minus is plus 36. That comes to 36 plus 36, 6 is 12, carry 1, 72, 72 minus 52. That comes to 0, 5, 6, 7, 20. Therefore, 4 is less than 20. Therefore, it will be less than, is less than 20. This is question number D. Now, question number E is, what is question number E? You see, question number E, left hand side LHS is equal to minus 231 plus 79 plus 51. That is equal to minus minus 231 31 plus 9 plus 1 10 carry 1 5 7 plus 1 8 8 5 13, that is 130, and that it comes to 231 minus 130, that is 1 0 101, that is minus 101. That's the answer. Here we got minus 101, right? Now RHS, right hand side. RHS is right hand side. RHS is equal to minus 399 plus 159 plus 81. We are getting minus 399, 199 plus 159 plus 81. 9 plus 1 10, carry 1, it is 0. 5 plus 6, 6 plus 8 14, carry 1, here 4. 1 plus 1 2, 240 plus 240 plus 240. Now 399 minus 240, 240, that comes to 9 5 159, but it is equal to minus 159 minus 159. Now you see that 100 minus 101 is greater than minus 159. Therefore question number E will be is greater than, right? This is the solution of question number 9. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.